Hey everybody, Johan Magnusson here, Big Swede Barbecue, and today we're making Carne Asada with Chimichurri on the Memphis wood fire grill. The first thing that we want to do is to make the marinade for the Carne Asada. Wash the cilantro and remove the stems. The easiest way to do this is by using a fork. Then mix all the ingredients in the marinade into a mixer, puree on high, and you want this marinade to be liquid with any chunks whatsoever. So now when the marinade is ready and it's tasting good, it's time to trim the flank steaks. These flank steaks actually looks pretty good, so I'm only going to remove a little bit of fat, a little bit of silver skin. Then I'm going to put them in an aluminum pan, cover it with the marinade, and put it in the refrigerator for at least 24 hours to marinate. So it's now time to make the chimichurri sauce, and I like to hand chop all the ingredients and mix it by hand because you want to have some texture in your chimichurri sauce. Start by finely chopping the Italian parsley, the cilantro, the shallot, and the garlic cloves. Put those in a bowl, then add salt, black pepper, chili, white wine vinegar, and lime juice, and then slowly drizzle in the olive oil while whisking thoroughly. It's been 24 hours and the marinade has made wonders to the flank steak, so it's now time to grill them. And we're gonna go direct flame on the Memphis wood fire grill using oak pellets. So this is how you set it up. You want to start by setting your Memphis wood fire grill to 400 degrees. So when the grill reaches 400 degrees, you want to let it sit there for a couple of minutes to heat up the grates. Then bring it up to its maximum temperature, press the up arrow again and enter direct flame mode. You want to set the grill to medium and then using the Genie tool, remove the easy access insert and insert the direct flame insert. When cooking with direct flame, you always want to make sure that you keep the hood open. And now it's time to grill the flank steak over high heat a couple of minutes on each side. You can baste it with some of the leftover marinade. Now, grill the flank steak until you've reached an inner temperature of 135. Then remove the steak and slice long strips from the outer edges of the steak. And make sure that you cut against the grain. And that is how you make Carne Asada with Chimichurri on the Memphis wood fire grill. If you like this recipe, please subscribe to Memphis Wood Fire Grill's YouTube channel or check out their website www.memphisgrills.com for more great recipes like this. Now I think the only thing left for me to do is to try the Carne Asada with the Chimichurri to see what it tastes like. So here we go. Oh man, packed with flavor, really juicy. I hope you try this at home. Happy grilling.